Thanks for coming back and checking out another video. Before I send one of these Haus Euro cylinders out, I've already posted one to Murloc, but this one I think is going to go out to William Mansell. So I just wanted to have a quick pick, or maybe Lockmania. I'm sure William won't mind when he sees what else I'm sending him. But yeah, there's the bitting on the key. And so go straight in with the John Eggington. I've not had a practice on this one yet. This is one of them ones that I got from Lindal Security. So light tension.
Shouldn't be able to see them. There should be hundreds of feet of curvature between us and them. You should barely be able to see the tops of those buildings. We're doing the curvature of the Earth. Here's what the Earth looks like. And what we're saying is, and of course this is exaggerated, that if you're here, eventually, if there's an object far enough, you won't be able to see it over here because the curvature of the Earth puts it on the other side of the hill. And you could say, oh, well, it's refraction, it's atmospheric effects, or it's mirage. It's like, no, not in every weather condition, not in every light condition. Science is having a problem combating what we're doing. Neil deGrasse Tyson, you can say his name, we calling he who shall not be named, says that it's a growing anti-intellectual movement which borders on the end of civilization and democracy as we know it. The Earth isn't flat. This is called gravity. The reason why we're winning versus science, against science, is science just throws a math at us. Whereas we go and say, hey, by the way, there's Seattle. You can see it right now.
Oh, big false set there, massive one.
I was well versed in just about every conspiracy you can think of. I had heard about every conspiracy. Flat Earth was the last book on the shelf. It was the DVD that somebody gave you for Christmas that you knew you were never going to open because the title was horrible. It's like How to Make a Poop Sandwich or Poop Sandwich Volume 3. But when you get bored with normal conspiracies, you're looking for something new. There was a certain novelty to it.
Right, there we go. Got that one open, that weren't too bad. And I think, looking back on my videos, this might actually be my first Haus as well. But I'm pretty pleased with that. Got in there a pretty quick time. And what I'll do is I might gut it and I'll post some pictures at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.